National Skydive Center Teuge is an association, meaning it's non-profit. We have owners, but that are the members. We have one thing in common, and that's skydiving. We purchased our first caravan in 1997. The build quality is very good. Roomy cabin, you can put 18 or 20 skydivers in it. It has one disadvantage, and that is the engine. The PT6 original engine has a lack of climbing horsepower and is running a little bit too hot. Back in 2010, there were two major companies that offered a bigger engine. One was a bigger PT6 engine, and another one was a Honeywell engine, the TPE331 from Texas Turbines. But when we make the comparison between the two, we knew very soon that the Honeywell will outperform the PT6 big time. When we started contacting Texas Turbine, they were really good in communicating. When we sent an email, we had questions about the conversion. They were really quick with answers and good answers. When we started with the conversion, we got promises of less fuel consumption and fast turnarounds. What we saw is 20% less fuel consumption. So bring a skydiver up to 13,000 feet. It costs us 20% less fuel. It delivers 1,100 horsepower. And it is derated for the Supervan 900 back to 900 horsepower. And that is actually good news. So when we climb, we use 900 horsepower, and that means it's always using 80% of what it can do. And that's good news, also for the long term with this engine. What's also a benefit of the Honeywell engine is that it has a single red line computer and also a torque and temperature limiter. And that means it's not possible as a pilot to over-torque or over-temp it. What we see with the Honeywell, we have a TBO of 5,000 hours. It is 5,000 or 7,000. With our type of operation, it will be 5,000 hours. And that's a big step from the original PT6 that we had 3,600. So that's a big improvement, and that is less money. What we saw with the Supervan 900, it's a very efficient jump ship. In my opinion, it's the most efficient plane at this moment. As a result of that, we can offer €20 for a jump ticket, and that is the lowest in Europe. And that attracts skydivers over Germany, in Holland, to come to jump here at Teuge. Last year we started a partnership with a smaller drop zone, and the result was that we will operate together a Supervan 900. And that will be our third plane, and that is the 100th Supervan 900 for Texas Turbine. The Cessna Caravan is one of the best jump ships thanks to Texas Turbines. They put a Honeywell TPE331 engine in it with more climbing horsepower, longer life, longer TBO. It's really at this moment the most efficient jump ship available.